In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to n8n. This process will enable you to automate your email tasks directly from your n8n workflow, streamlining your processes and saving you precious time. Before we dive in, make sure you have your n8n instance open and are ready to create or edit your workflow. First, open your n8n workflow where you intend to add this functionality. Now direct your attention to the left side of the interface and click on Add Node. This is the step where you introduce new elements and functionalities to your workflow. In the search bar that appears, type Gmail. Once you've located it, select the Gmail node. This action will integrate Gmail's abilities, such as sending emails and accessing messages, into your workflow. Moving on to Credentials, a crucial step in setting up your Gmail integration. In the Credentials field of your newly added Gmail node, click on Create New. This is where you will set up your Google account to work with n8n. For the type of credentials, choose Gmail OAuth2 API. The OAuth2 API is a secure way of enabling applications like n8n to access Gmail on your behalf. It's designed to keep your account safe while allowing you the functionality you need. At this juncture, the steps you follow depend on how you're running n8n. If you're using n8n Cloud, the process is streamlined. Click on Sign In with Google. This will prompt a Google authentication window to open. Follow the instructions to authorize your Google account. Granting access will allow your n8n workflow to communicate securely with your Gmail account. If you are, however, operating on a self-hosted n8n setup, you will need a couple of additional bits of information from your Google Cloud project. Specifically, you need to enter your Google OAuth client ID and client secret. These are unique identifiers that Google uses to link your n8n setup with your Gmail account securely. To find or set these up, you need to visit the Google Cloud Platform. Under the API and Services section, select Credentials to generate or locate your client ID and client secret. Once you have them, enter them in the appropriate fields in n8n. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Gmail with n8n, adding powerful email automation capabilities to your workflow. You can now send emails, track messages, and much more directly from your n8n automation. If set up correctly, it should work seamlessly, allowing you to handle your tasks efficiently. Remember, the key to successful automation is not just in setting it up, but also in refining your workflows to fit your specific needs. Enjoy the powerful combination of Gmail and n8n and watch your productivity soar. Thanks for tuning in, and happy